All right, I wanted to insert this door and dimension these doors. So let's go ahead and dimension the doors first. So you would just go to your annotate and your aligned, and you would pick the face of this and pick the center of the door, and then you need to pick on nothing, right? So I'm going to drag because there's a bunch of things in here to pick. I'm going to pick on nothing, and then I'll hit escape a couple of times to stop that, pick the door, and change this to 3'2", maybe. We can always change it later if we need to. And then this guy I want to be centered, so I'll go to annotate and aligned and pick the core, the center of the door, and the core, and then kind of pick on nothing, right? And then you'll get this little EQ, and you can click on that, and it will center those doors. So that just tells the framer, center this door in this framing, right? Which is kind of helpful because it gets it really close to this. So I don't know if you want to, because that wouldn't be able to fit trim, right? So it's something to consider. The next thing we need to do is grab this door, which I'm going to put, it actually is a chase, I think, but we're calling it a closet. So I'm going to put a door in here. So I'm going to go to insert and load Autodesk family, right? And I'll just go to the doors, and there is a door interior double sliding. So I'll pick that guy and load it, right? And I'll just pick how about the 68 by 80? Click OK, right? And then if I go to architecture and door, it will place that guy in there, right? So I'll just left click, right? And then if we want that guy centered, they kind of assume that, but you can always go to the annotate and aligned and do the same kind of thing here, right? And EQ that out, right? So it centers that door right there. And then, let's see, I think that's it for this guy. Okay.